Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. How has our Friday been? Guys, what do you want? What do you want? Develop a clear vision of your life. Where do you want to be in the next 5, 10, 20 years from now? That is one of the quotes ascribed to Zig Ziglar. It is amazing how men and women run around endlessly in pursuit of what they cannot describe. Stop one of them and ask, hello, what do you want? You'll be amazed that many and majority do not actually know what they want. They know that they want something and are willing to go for it. But what it is, they truly cannot tell. You and I can identify with this in many more than one ways. We are in a frantic search, a hot chase, a determined struggle. For what? What you want in life summarizes who you are and why you are here. Can you afford not to know? A big question for you and I. Deep inside each of us is a blueprint of our existence and a roadmap of our journeys. To find it in the first step towards personal fulfillment. Turn the searchlight inward, my friend, because the answer is within you. Take a pause now and ask yourself, with all sincerity, what do I really want? I recapitulate. Take a pause now. Take a deep breath. Relax and ask yourself with every sense of sincerity, what do I really want? Guys, I leave you with that question. What do you really want? Thank you for listening to this broadcast. Don't go. Stay tuned for subsequent updates on this series. I want you to click that bell, like, and share to as many. Thank you. Bye for now.